This is one of the most critical and expensive parts in an aircraft engine, the turbine blade. They may look identical, but they are not interchangeable. Each blade is precisely measured and installed in a specific position, which is why serial numbers are etched at the base. During assembly, every blade must go into its exact slot, or the engine will be out of balance. What surprises most people is that these blades feel slightly loose when handled. That seems dangerous for something that must survive takeoff. The reason it works is physics. Once the engine starts, the turbine can spin up to 18,000 RPM. At that speed, centrifugal force pulls each blade outward with tens of thousands of times its own weight, forcing it tightly into its locking groove. At the same time, temperatures inside the engine approach 2,000 degrees Celsius. The metal expands exactly as designed, filling the tiny gaps left at room temperature. What felt loose on the ground becomes solid in flight. But this only works if every blade weighs almost exactly the same. The serial numbers are used for precise balancing. Even a tiny weight difference can create violent vibrations at full speed, and in extreme cases, the engine can tear itself apart. That's why turbine blades look simple but allow zero room for error.